Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your crosshair color in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Valorant and just press escape, and then you will be here, or go to settings in like menu and just press here crosshair. When you will be in crosshair, you're gonna see like here crosshair color, and now the default is green or white, and now you can just simply choose like red, pink, cyan, yellow, green, white. I recommend going with the green or red. In my opinion, these are the best that you can use, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it works, you know how it goes, and yeah. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye. So again, escape, crosshair, and crosshair color right here. Yep, see ya.